In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a file in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your workspace or clearing out old documents, this quick process will help you keep things tidy and easier to navigate. First, sign into Google Drive using your Google account. Make sure you're in the correct account if you use more than one. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load your files and folders. If your drive is busy or large, it might take a second, and that's totally normal. Next, navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to delete. You can do this by clicking through your folders in the left sidebar or using the main file grid. If you have a lot of content, the search bar at the top can help you quickly find the correct folder or file name. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right spot and looking at the exact file you intend to remove, especially if there are similar names or versions. Now find the file in that folder and right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options. Right-clicking is the most reliable way to see all the available actions for that specific file without opening it. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works the same as a right click. From the menu, click Delete or Remove. You might see one label or the other depending on whether you own the file or it's shared with you. If you're the owner, delete typically means the file will be moved to the trash in your drive. If it says remove, that usually means the file will be removed from your view in My Drive, but not necessarily deleted for everyone, especially if the file is owned by someone else or lives in a shared location. After you click, you should see a brief confirmation message indicating that the file has been moved. A quick note for context: when a file goes to trash, it isn't permanently gone right away. It's held there for a limited time before it's automatically purged, depending on your account type and organization policies. That safety net is helpful if you change your mind, but it's still best to double check before removing important items, particularly shared documents or files linked in other places. And that's all there is to it. You logged in, navigated to the right folder, right-clicked the file, and selected Delete or Remove. Keep these steps in mind whenever you need to clean up your Google Drive and keep your digital workspace clutter